Okay, first I want to say hello, Bradford Landscaping, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video real quick. Again, my name was Jeff, and my company is Belanger Solutions. I had seen you in town doing some lawn care and stopped by and wanted to shout out a little bit. So the purpose of the video here is to show you how you could increase your business online, expose your company and bring some more value, and get some more clients and some more leads. There's a couple key factors needing to understand how business works on Google to increase your exposure. So first off, we want to talk about content, backlinks, and citations. Now, every time you type something into the Google search bar right here, these are considered keywords, and Google looks for these keywords from websites that best fit the search criteria. Search engine optimization is what that's called, SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to what people are typing in here and categorizes those websites to establish rank. Now, you want typically 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. So, for example, just to kind of get started here, because there's not much in Lillington, and I'll get to that in a second, I wanted to type in lawn service Raleigh, give you a little explanation and show you how this works. So you definitely have ads right here on the top. These are Google guaranteed and certified. You have other ad spends from LawnStar, another ad here. Of course, you have the Google map, or also known as the map pack, for searches near me. When you search for something near me, lawn care near me, food near me, whatever it be. Ranking in the map is related to a Google Business profile and citations. A Google Business profile is a business profile that shows your name, address, and phone number, the area of coverage that you cover, and connected to citations, anything that is a name, address, and phone number. A directory for citations include companies like Yelp or Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. That ties into here and is a contributor to ranking in the map. The map generates a lot of local traffic, and that creates a lot of leads, and that becomes sales. So it's important to get yourself into the map area, map pack. Anything underneath the map is where organic ranking starts to take place. So you would ask yourself, how do companies and how do businesses get on the first page of Google? Well, we have lawnlove.com right here. We do have Angie right here. Number 3, we have Lawn Starter. Number 4, we have Get Lawn Care in Raleigh, your greenpal.com. So how are these companies here? You ask yourself, how would I get this? How would I get some more exposure? How do I drive more business? So I wanted to show you. I took number 3 just as an example, Lawn Starter. Pulled up his website. His website's right here. And I have a tool that I can use. It's called Ahrefs. And it shows me behind the scenes what's going on with the website and how they're ranking and what's driving their traffic. Now, I did say content, backlinks, and citations are 3 factors. Now, backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your site from another site. Google uses that to build trust in your company. It creates popularity. Not all backlinks are considered equal or the same, so it's important to understand having a backlink from a Pizza Hut or a construction company might not be as strong referring back to you as another landscaping company or something that's in your profession that you do. From there, they have 22,000 referring domains or other sites that are connected to them from their backlinks. They also have 409 keywords within their content. Now, keep in mind, keywords are anything that you type into Google. So Google is looking for websites that have the content and the criteria that you're typing in that you're looking for. They're looking for keywords. So of these keywords, I'll give you an example of how this works. So aside from their name, we don't want lawn starter, lawn mowing service in Raleigh. This is the volume per month, 62,000 times a month. Lawn mowing service is searched in Raleigh. Fly repellent, 29,000 times. Bugs that look like bed bugs, I don't know what that has to do with lawn care, but it's in there. Lawn service, 45,000 times. Lawn care services, 38,000 times per month that these keywords are typed into Google. And this is how their website is found for the content. Now that is impressive. And having 409,000 keywords brings them 1 million views a month. 1 million views a month. So when you take 1 million views a month and answer those phone calls, it turns into a lot of traffic. It turns into a lot of traffic, turns into sales. Another one that I chose, just to give you another example, was Get Your Lawn Care Raleigh. So Green Pal, Lawn Care, Green Pals. This is their website. Give you an overview. They have 14,000 backlinks, 56,000 keywords, 143,000 views a month. So you can see the difference here, but it is how it works. This is how they're ranking. The content and the keywords built into their website generate this amount of traffic. Now, for an example, that was just Raleigh. I wanted to show you how that works. Because over here, when you do Lillington, landscaping Lillington, there's an ad and there's 3 people in the map area with their business and their location. And then there's just a lot of advertising. You have Yelp, you have Angie again. Now you do have this guy here, number 3, Mojo Landscaping. And I would believe the only reason he is here is because he's tied into Facebook. When I put his website into the same tool to see what's going on behind closed doors and what's in there, you can see that he has 15 backlinks, no keywords, and he's getting no traffic from his website. So what does that tell me? What should that tell you? That would tell you that if you were to generate yourself a Google Business profile, create a website, structure it correctly, rank yourself in the map, and get yourself organically ranked with the right content and keywords, you would land yourself on the first page right above him. You would outrank him. That would generate a lot of business for you. Once your content, your backlinks, your citations, your Google Business profile, once all this comes together, you quickly start to outrank your competitors. Google recognizes you as an authoritative business, that you are accredited, that you are referred to, and it ranks you and it puts you up there in the map and on the first page of Google. This is how companies get there. A lot of companies can build websites, and they do, and they're beautiful, but if they fall short with content and SEO, you'll wonder to yourself, why am I not getting any traffic? I just had a website built, but I don't see it and nobody's calling me. It's very important to have a well-built website that can bring value. So with that being said, I wanted to reach out a little bit. Looks like you're just getting started, entrepreneur, moving on your own. I think that's great. And I wanted to give you a little information on how this works. Should you feel the need to want to reach out, if you are interested in looking at a Google Business profile, getting yourself some more value and getting yourself exposed with a website, we could definitely talk and go over some goals that you might have. Again, thanks for taking the time to watch this, and have a nice day.